And it goes a little something like
Hi everyone, I'm Donna Giberlasa, and today's video I will show you step by step on how to disassemble and assemble a computer system unit. Step 1. Remove the system case. After you remove the system case, proceed to Step 2. Remove all the cables in the motherboard. Next, Step 3. Unscrew and remove the power supply. Step 4. Remove the DVD. Step 5. Unscrew and remove the HDD or hard disk drive.
and it goes a little something like
Step 6. Remove the RAM or random access memory. Next, Step 7. Remove the heatsink. Next, Step 8. Remove the CPU or Central Processing Unit. Then Step 9. Unscrew the motherboard. And then, you completely disassemble. And now, let's start to assemble a system unit. Step 1. Prepare the motherboard. Then Step 2. Install the CPU or Central Processing Unit. Step 3. Install the CPU heatsink. Step 4. Install the RAM or random access memory. Step 5. Install the power supply. Then Step 6. Install the HDD or hard disk drive. Step 7. Install the DVD. Step 8. Connect all the cable wires. Then Step 9. Attach the cover. And then, let's completely assembled. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something on this video about disassembling and assembling a system unit.